Hello and welcome to my backyard. I'd like for you to see this cute little ruby-throated hummingbird who's eating nectar from the flowers in the flower pot on my patio. The first flower she visits is a Black and Blue Salvia. It's got a beautiful blue bloom and a black calyx. It likes part to full sun. It blooms in the spring, summer, and fall. It matures about 2 feet wide and 2 feet tall. It is both heat and drought tolerant, and it's hardy in zone 7A through 10A. The second flower that she visits is a Cuphea, or firecracker plant, sometimes called a cigar plant. It likes full sun and it's heat and drought tolerant. It blooms also in the spring, summer, and fall. It spreads about 2 feet wide and 18 to 24 inches tall. It has an abundance of tubular blooms that are orange with yellow tips that the hummingbird loves. It is hardy in zones 8A through 11A. You will always attract hummingbirds with these two plants. Hummingbirds love them both. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.